Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kotak credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. To get started, in the URL box, type in www.kotak.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official site of Kotak Mahindra Bank. In order to log in and get access to your credit card services, go to the login button at the top right hand corner and give it a click. You'll need to log into your online banking account for Kotak Mahindra. Go ahead and type in your CRN, your username or your card number in the first text box. And if you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on Remember Me box. But make sure to leave this box unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. After you are done entering your credential, click the Next button. On the next field, you'll need to type in the password for your net banking account. In case you don't remember your password, click on this Generate Password link. After you are done entering your password, click on the Secure Login button, and once you are logged into your Kotak Mahindra net banking account, click on the Credit Card tab in order to get access to your credit card service. That was how you can easily access your credit card for Kotak Mahindra Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.